Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a GMC Sierra. First, park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. This distance is crucial for accurate measurement. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. Before starting, double-check that your tire pressure is set correctly, as this impacts headlight alignment. Let's get started. Now, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight bulb. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking it clearly with tape. This mark will serve as your reference point. Next, open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. There are typically 2 screws per headlight, one for vertical and one for horizontal adjustment. With your low beams on, begin adjusting. Use the vertical adjustment screw to raise or lower the beam until the top edge of the brightest part aligns with the mark you made on the wall. Then, use the horizontal screw to fine-tune the side-to-side spread. Aim for the beam to be slightly to the right of the center line for optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. After adjusting, take your truck for a short drive to confirm the alignment feels right. Ensure both headlights are evenly aligned and provide clear visibility without causing glare for others. Also, test your high beams to make sure they function correctly with the new low beam settings. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.